Uh, Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's very unfortunate that I'm not so familiar with this Facebook of a thing. I might be finding it very difficult to share this video. Invite friends. Please just share. If you can help me to share the video, please, because I actually don't know how to do this Facebook live sharing of a thing. Please, if you are there online, just help me share the video. Please share the video, share the video, share the video. Please, let's try to invite everybody online. Just please share the video, share the video. This is a very, very important message that is coming across from me, Skimiya, to the whole world. It is an issue concerning myself and also someone I call my friend, Prince Gion. Please share the video, please. If you can share this video, I will really, really appreciate it. It is the right time now for the truth to be told about the disturbing occurrences that has been taking place in the past 1 week now on Facebook. I have decided to come out and speak. Thank you very much, Faustin Flex, for sharing. I've decided to come out on Facebook to say my own side of the story about this hilarious act of Prince Igihon. I also want to use this opportunity to also let the public understand that Igihon has been saying he's my friend for all these years. But thank God that Igihon has proven himself to me as a tortoise. Igihon has proven himself to me as my long-time enemy. Please, I want everybody to share this video. I want everybody to share this video. If you know you are here and these occurrences on Facebook has also touched you as a person, and if you know that you are one of the persons also here on Facebook that have also fought for me behind my back regarding this very issue, please, if you love me, share this video, because I want this video to go far. This very video, I want it to go very, very far. And I'm seated here today. I'm never going to say a word that is not true concerning my friend Igihon. And I will also give him a very great opportunity also to do his video after I do this. You know, I tried to keep myself since 1 week that this whole incident started. But I thought, of what use was it if I had to come out on Facebook and start to explain myself? Since Igihon and also some of his associates also decided to say, well, you know what? Since Skimmy actually really don't know what happened on this very issue, it's a framed work. I thought it was not necessary for me to come on Facebook to come and be talking, since Igihon also have agreed with other persons to clear me on air. But it has been very, very clear that every other issues I have heard, and also what Igihon told me, what he said while we were on the conference call, it really shown to me that Igihon, who parades himself everywhere as a chief, have what is called hatred for me. I'm never going to lie today on Igihon. I will never do a thing like that. I am a man who believes in my faith so much. I boast of my faith anytime, any day. And I will continue to do that. because it is God that fights for me. Nobody can fight for me. Only God has been fighting for me. Until this very moment, I have continued to see the hand of God in my life. Before I will proceed on this very video, if you are there with me, I just want to at least do a little short prayer, because everything in this life, we have to commit it into the hands of God. If you are there with me and you are a lover of scheming and you believe that whatever Igion also have accused me of, I am not part of it, just join me in a very short prayer. Father, Lord, I thank you. I give you all the praise. I exalt your holy name, King of glory. I thank you for my life. I thank you for the lives of my family. I thank you also for the life of every man and woman that is watching me at this very moment. I also thank you, King of glory, for the king in my own country, in my own state, Edo Nobaye. I give you praise for the people of Edo, people wherever they are. I pray, Father, Lord Almighty, that you continue to allow the peace to reign in my kingdom, the peace to reign in my land, the peace to reign in my country. Jehovah God Almighty, I stand here today to testify what has transpired between me and my friend Igehon. At any given point, God Almighty, if I ever sit here today to lie against Igehon about my occurrences that has taken place with Igehon all these years, if I ever lied against him in this video that I'm going to do, wherever he goes, whatever he does to bring me down, it is my prayer, Lord Almighty, that you fight my fight if I tell the truth. But if I lie against him, God Almighty, allow the hands of Igehon to come to me. Whatever he will do negatively to me, let it come to me if I ever sit here today to lie against him. I thank you for the lives of everyone, and I pray that your continual grace of peace will not depart away from our land. And I also thank you for the lives of every man or woman that have stood behind me since this whole issue started, how they have fought for me, how innocent they know that I am. I give you all the praise in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. I thank every one of you. It is a very, very sad incident that has taken place for the past 1 week now. I just want to take my time and also explain to everyone that is watching me right now to also have a little bit of insight. I will try to switch my language. Sometimes I'm going to talk in my dialect. Sometimes also I'm going to come down to, because there are certain things I would also like to explain and bring it down also to the layman English also, so that at least we will flow. I'm not here actually to make enemies with anybody, but just only I am here to talk my own side of the story. A lot of people have been asking me, Skimmy, if you are not guilty, why can't you come on air, and preach also your own side of the story? But I thought in the beginning that it was not necessary. But now I began to see that it is very necessary that I come online also to say my own side of the story. Now, on Sunday evening, my friend Toronto Babayi, which you all know, we were just somewhere celebrating his birthday and all that. And I got home that day at about 2:30 a.m. I think in the morning. While I got inside, immediately I got a popped up message that Edo Reality Talk Show was on live. So immediately I clicked on it and I started watching his program. And the next thing I saw was Orionba, and he started calling names. It got to a point where he could not call a name he found on that very list. He started saying, no, this name, oh, no, this name, I can't set it to your nona, I can't set it to your nona. You know, I was not even thinking it could be my name. So I watched the program to a particular point and I fell up asleep. So the next morning, I overheard that my wife was tapping me. She was tapping me. It was somewhere around 9 a.m. in the morning. She was tapping me and she was like, hey, honey. They say they don't go scatter our house. So I said, how? How do you mean? He say they just dey line, they call message because my phone was on it was on silent. No, they say they go destroy your house. They say you dey support Murphy Face. They say you dey support that guy when he did Jenny. I say what? So I was laughing in the very first place. I say how come? Then I picked up my phone. Immediately I picked up my phone. I saw that there have been a lot of missed calls from my friend Destiny Bagua, from some of my younger ones, my cousins and friends. A lot of missed calls. So I started to call everybody. And then I started to understand that they actually went to my house and they tamper with some properties in the house, like, make some little damages also to it. Then I said, okay, well, I need to actually really find out what happened. Not quite long, my friend Toronto Babayi called me. I am giving everybody the real true story of how all this whole issue transpired. How it transpired. I'm not going to add to it, and I'm also not going to take out of it, so that you all also will be the judge at the end of the day. Then my friend called me and he said he just spoke to social media president Eddie Murphy that I should call him. I said, okay. I just heard now that he said Eddie Murphy has been calling my name, that I am Ohyunba and all that. I said, well, let me call him also and get my own story from him. So I did call. I didn't call Eddie Murphy direct, but I called the wife through Facebook Messenger. Then the wife also was like, this is what we heard, oh, we are so surprised, oh, you don't hurt somebody and all that. He said the husband wants to talk to me, so he gave the phone to Eddie Murphy. So while we were talking, Eddie Murphy was like, I was surprised. I did not want to call your name. I even called Destiny. There was nothing I could do. They were calling him on the phone. And call that name. You have to call that name. If you don't call that name, so at the end of the day, I believe Eddie Murphy he didn't have a choice anymore. But along the line of my story, everybody will also understand why Eddie Murphy did what he did. I believe that Eddie Murphy is not my enemy. I know that is why my video today is not about Eddie Murphy, because I believe he himself is on a tight corner, and he also believes that he needs to take himself out of the tight corner where he is, because he also has been put and placed under a certain duress. So at the end of the day, we started to have a conversation, myself and Eddie Murphy. Immediately we started having that conversation. So I told Eddie Murphy, I said, it so much pains me a lot that if my name was to be accounted as part of Ohyunba, then I would not suspect anybody at this very moment. The only one person I know, let me tell you something. I'm making this video today to let everybody know that they said they recorded me, and I am ready to defend any record that is brought out by Igiehon and his co-associate. If it is something that I said, I will come back again on this same live video and defend every word that came out of my mind, out of my mouth. But this is the true fact of it. Omonoba Atokbe, I will never be so stupid in my life to bring disrespectfulness to the kingdom where I come from. Even if I am a Christian, even if I am somebody who believes in my religion, the Bible says that God is the one that ordained a king. Why didn't I come through the kingship of my place? No. It is an ordination. And if God has ordained the king to be there, it is my, irrespective of anything, it is my duty not to disrespect my palace. And I will not do that. For those of them that are trying to pass insult to the palace on social media, consistently I have told my friend Igiehon that it is an abominable something for you to come out on the social media just like as I am here now. I will begin to throw lyrics to the great kingdom of Benin. I can never do that. I'm too learned and too educated for that. And I'm too smart for that. I will never do a thing like that. And I know every human being that comes from Benin in his or her right senses, no matter how they push you to the wall, you can never throw your mouth to the king of Benin Kingdom. You can never do a thing like that. That one for sure I know. Anybody who is doing that, that person, I believe maybe they must have told this person that you will die very soon. You don't have life anymore. Maybe the person look at it and say, let me make my name in this way. I am a father of 7 children. Well, and God bless kids that God gave to me. And I know that by the special grace of God, it is my responsibility to sing that my children, they get to the highest height of life. Igihon, with your idol worship, Igihon, you cannot stop me from doing what I feel that is right to bring my children to the height that God has destined them to. You cannot distract me, Igihon. That is a very clear message to you, because this is also part of why you are doing all these things. So now let me go back again to my story. Immediately we started discussing. Then I started to tell Eddie Murphy, I said, there might be time that Igihon and myself, probably sometimes we do have disagreement on issues that concern traditional matter. For me also, as someone also who has lived over 26 years in Europe, I also believe that I have a different way of seeing things. And he also have a different way of seeing things. And I also believe that sometimes we talk about my religion, Christianity. He also sometimes he does not agree with me on certain issues. And sometimes also on his tradition. Not mainly about the things that concerns the palace, but we talk about tradition. I say if at this very given moment, Igehon have a lot of hatred for me and is now coming to use this opportunity to gain power. And the reason why I feel Igehon orchestrated all these things, because he wants to humiliate me. He wants to make fool out of me. He wants to tell me that I'm a nobody. It is when this whole event started unfolding, I began to see some of his comments. I began to see some of his attributes to it. It really shows to me that Igehon just want to, he just want to rubbish me. He just want to bring me down and say, who are you? You call yourself Skemiya. Everybody knows you everywhere. You are just a nobody. I believe that was the direction Igehon was taking this matter. But Igehon, my God is greater than you. My God is greater than your idol you worship, Igehon. You will see if the God you call Igehon, which is, I don't know the kind of shrine you, Igehon, you go to. I will also use this message also to relate to Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy, this my video, in a way, it will also come to you. Everything I said on this platform, if I lie against Igehon, if I lie against you, you are an idol worshiper. You have proven it to me and you have said it several times to me. You go to your idol that you worship, Igehon, and you throw a stone to me. If there is any way I say a thing that you never told me, or somebody else, and everything I will say here again, I will tell you who told me, how I heard the thing, who told me. I will call names here today for you also to understand, Igehon. I will never lie against you. Go to anywhere, my God will fight for me if I'm telling the truth today that I'm here. So why social media was, Eddie Murphy was trying to tell me that no, it's not Igehon, it's not Igehon. Who did you talk to 2 or 3 days ago? Who did you talk to? I said 2 or 3 days ago. 2 or 3 days ago, I remember that I was somewhere with I went to one of my friend's house and I met a guy there, Onroli. He came from Germany. We were just talking and the issue also of Murphy Face came out. And along the line, we were having a discussion. Even that discussion we had, both 3 of us that were having the discussion, at the end of the day, we concluded on one very, very platform. It was not an issue to insult the palace. Never. It was just a mere conversation on the issue of Murphy Face, what he's talking about, the areas where Murphy Face is really killing himself and all that. And this very man, Don Rolly Omorodion, is living in Germany, still alive right now. Social media was trying to tell me that guy was the guy who recorded me. He was the guy who recorded me. I took it to Odion Weo Omada in the palace. And when they played it, that is how they called for them to add my name, that I am part of this crew. Now this is what happened. Then I told social media, I said, no, social media. If this guy will record our conversation that day, and the palace is now asking for me, that means if the palace has listened to that very cassette, This same Omoro Dion himself will also be part of the people they will call Orionba, because we all argued and at the same time we arrived at a conclusion. Every one of the three of us that were talking that day, we never insulted the palace. We never threw mouth also to the palace. I said, no, it's not possible. This guy never recorded me, because the issue what we discussed there that day has gotten anything to do with somebody throwing mouth to the palace. I said, no, it is possible that we had a discussion. And this guy also called the Geon and probably and also let me tell you, even before I even came to where they said I said something, Igeon had earlier called the guy and the phone was on speaker. The other third party guy that was there with us already had confirmed that Igeon even called them and was shouting like, where now? Ebi where eskimi wahia ikiakworu wabebwepona iri amwetini ni ayakon. The guy said it that there was nothing of such that what I said that day implicated me or whatever. But Igeon was just looking for a way to frame a story and put it on somebody's head. Then social media was telling me, skimmy, a guy ni no ware Germany, don't rolly, what send a picture gume. Eddie Murphy, if I'm lying against you, maybe you are there watching me. I can also not lie against you. You asked me to send you, and I never told you, Eddie Murphy, to go on social media to be calling Rolly's name or calling Igeon name. No, never. I only explained what you told me. I told you that Don Rolly will not do a thing like that. Why? Because we were having a conversation. That conversation, you cannot record it. Because if you record it and the palace find anything wrong in that conversation, even Don Rolly himself they will also go to his house and break his door. So there was no such thing. But I told social media, I believe that when Rolly spoke to Igeon, maybe they also had a discussion similar to what we talked about at my friend's place. And it is also possible that Igeon, who already had a burning hatred for me that I was not aware about, Igeon translated the matter to Omonde. How they did it, I didn't know because I was not there. So, but God so kind. This is how God helped me in all this matter. Because Eddie Murphy also didn't know that Rolly was part of the whole occurrences. He didn't know that from the beginning, maybe Rolly had spoke to Igeon. The night Eddie Murphy was on the phone, on social media, Igeon told me that he was sleeping at home. Igeon, that is what you told me. You said when Eddie Murphy was announcing that event, midnight, you said you were sleeping. That's what you told me, Igeon. But Don Rolly told me that yourself and Omede was the one who called him and put him on the three-way call. And you were telling him that social media is about to go online now to start to announce the list. And that you, Igeon, you yourself was saying, oh, Ijeme, enini ayariye banima, enini ewo, enini magbae, oni magbae. That was what you were saying, Igeon. That means my name was never included to any list. Which list you got or the one they gave, I don't know. But Igeon, those were your statements when you were on the three-way conference call with Omede and Don Rolly. But God so kind. There was one person God placed in this very scene to make me scheming know that I serve a living God. Because if this whole plan was planned by Omede and Igeon, till tomorrow, I wouldn't have even know what transpired. That is how I would have been thinking, who is this person trying to kill me? But because God placed Roland Omoro Dion in that very place, that is the reason why today I can stand to sing songs of praises. Igeon, maybe you think I will not sing songs of praises. Yes, I serve a living God, Igeon. I will sing songs of praises because I serve a living God. Now, at the end of the day, I dropped the phone with social media. Now, Eddie Murphy, who also knows me, who always tells me that, Skimmy, you are an exceptional human being, knew that Eddie Murphy don't have a choice at all. Because this guy also has been hooked on his leg. He also wants to take himself away from this whole issue of throwing mouth to the palace. Why? Because this same very Igeon Eddie Murphy you are fighting for today, I will get to your story between you and Igeon, what he told me. Igeon, if I lie against you, you are here watching me or later you watch this video, Eddie Murphy, I will get to your story with Igeon. Let me just first of all finish my own story. Now, Eddie Murphy went on social media and he started to say, Don Rolly, Nore Germany, you record this kimi, Ona Yegari Egua, Don Rolly. So now, Don Rolly was somewhere watching this video and he was like, hey, what is going on here? What is happening here? Don Rolly recorded Skimmy and take to the palace. Immediately, Don Rolly called me. And he told me, he said, Skimmy, I'm hearing some propaganda that you told social media that I set you up, I recorded you. I told Don Rolly, I said, please, I'm alive now. Let me explain myself to you. If I ever have done something like that, I will also tell you. So I started to explain to Don Rolly that this is how social media called me. This is also how I explained my own side of the story to him. Him going to social media and be saying what he's saying, this is just Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy knows that when he started with the issue of human trafficker, the only reason why I supported Eddie Murphy anytime, any day was because I personally also saw that there was slavery in something that has to do with human trafficker in the entire Europe. I never supported it one day, never. So when Eddie Murphy came out with such propaganda, I supported him. Why? Because I felt that human trafficking has been a long time destructive epidemic to our people. Bringing someone to Europe and allowing this person to come and pay 50, 60, 70,000, it was inhuman. So for me, I supported that very cause. But when Eddie Murphy started coming out and rubbishing people, this one is Shentro, this one is this. When he calls me for an advice, I always tell him, if you want to educate the public on the issues of Shentro, must you call people's name? No. Come out and also try to educate your people. That is what the social media is all for. So please, this way, if Eddie Murphy is watching me, he can testify to that. I've never told him one day, this one, and call his name. Never. I will never in my life be part of anything that will make somebody else sleep in his room and begin to feel sorrow. I will never do that because that is complete evil, like what Igeon is doing to me. Igeon is trying to destabilize me. I have a son by the grace of God that God is pushing very high. Igeon knows how useful I am to my son. He knows how useful I am to my family. He wants to take that away from me. That is just his plan. And I believe he's doing all this either out of jealousy or because of what has transpired between me and him in the past before. And I will still get there also. Now, after Don Rolly started to talk to me, so Don Rolly himself started to see that they went to Skimmy's house. Now, there's a Facebook video they are showing everywhere, and they are trying to say they went to Skimmy's house, they distressed Skimmy's house. So the guy started feeling removed. Probably these were not the intentions of Rolly, that it has landed to that area. Maybe Don Rolly also was not part of them who brought my name also, because I wasn't there when the whole thing surfaced. But till now, if I see the part Rolly has played in this whole very issue, it shows to me that Roland does not have one single intention or one single plan to hurt Miss Skimmy. Because for every joy and for every peace of mind I have today, it is because Roland had decided to say, I cannot be part of this evil networking that Roland and Omede are instigating. Omede also is Omede is a 50-50 person. Why? Because he is a direct contact to the palace. He's the one that talks to the palace. But Igeon is the one that is feeding Omede with all these accusations of this one say, this one not say, carry this one, go palace for the hatred. But Omede don't know that Igeon hates me because of what happened between me and him in the past. As regard to the women who has given him money in his life, who has come to Miss Skimmy to complain, and the part and the role I played openly. Because Igeon, I know go fit sit down for your back, make you tell woman wey mama born, tell her say you want marry am, take cheat and collect money from her. When the matter come meet me, I come support you, Igeon. Never, I will never do a thing like that. And that is where the hatred is coming from, Igeon. I know, but make I not divert my story. Now, Don Rolly spoke to me that day and he said, Skimmy, don't worry. I'm going to call Igeon. I'm going to call Omede. We're going to put our heads together and see how we can exonerate you out of this whole matter. Because the truth of the matter is that Skimmy, the letter that the palace sent was sent to his own organization. And the Ogyoba the palace spoke about, it was addressed on that very letter. Skimmy, this matter no concern you. Now hatred, kill woman, na ya mwebo no talk bomber, now be this whole thing, and it not go be part of her. And really, Roland called the two parties and they connected me that evening and we spoke. So it got a point that Omede himself now said, okay, Skimmy, anyhow it is, you are our friend, you are our person, and I've seen the way Don Rolly is also talking on your behalf, and Ige also was trying at that moment to talk as if I was his friend, because later in that conversation, I now know that he was just an enemy. Then Omede came to a conclusion and he said, okay, you know what, Skimmy, there is a protest that we are trying, and that is the real message that came from the palace. The Benin should come together, form one alliance, and find a way how to silence Monkey Face in Germany, Ogyoba, how to silence him on this very issue through a legal process. The palace also did not activate, they did not also aggravate for war. They said through legal process. And Omorodion is the president of Edo in the diaspora in Germany. Now, his table was the table that was going to be used. His office was going to be used to handle every legal matter concerning this. Even while we were on phone that night, even Omede was saying that he was moving from his house to his office. He needed to get a paper that the lawyer needs to sign on that issue. Skimming, this is what you have to do now to also show to the palace that we're talking about. What you need to do, Skimming, is to be a front runner of this whole protest. And I said, my brother, I can never support anybody who wants to war against the palace now. Because if I support that, me myself, I am supporting my own personal destruction now. I said I am fully in support. With everything I support, I want to be part to silence some of these social media migrants who are trying to throw their dirty mats to the palace. I supported it. Immediately I finished talking, Ige just came from under. He said, sadinu wa mwe matari na onu na mari woki yeye wa ebe ne gwaya weni ahe omono fiukpe gegwa amosto ya vunkutuku almost nwame. So I've not said anything. Immediately Roland just came up. Roland said, Geon, kenuriena Geon no. He may support him in Omedetani. The whole issue is about how to make sure that we put a stop to it. We put an end to it. And Skimmy is one person you also know that he has a lot of crowd in this Euro. He also can support this very movement so that at the end of the day, we will achieve the goal that the palace sent. So he support that. Then he being a tortoise, he started to say, okay, well, there you know. Okay, of ma, wala Robert, even wawayamu na, hurry. Then Omedena came, Omedena told again, I said again, we are not hurrying this thing. I said it already in our conversation that Erimano Hua, Ero Waratna, or Abuja, at least before Nati weekend, Orari Nye, no Medena Giohun, Nyera find a way. Then I where a Skimmy, a mistake of identity, no. Where information not here, even a voice tape in here, we am in here for Jay. He said all those things on me there. That was what he said that day. In a moment, if I know me then I were Skimmy, where I want me, where I where in a problem. A matter now or sorting. He came out to boy and have a time where Skimmy. He a buying a setting one, he allow way bar and one. Since me there. No, a palace representative of it, then that means a problem with Bagirona. So everybody ended that conversation. We all went to bed happily. Just for the next day for me to find out again that Igihon has went back again to Omede to start to tie Omede again. Where because I was communicating with Don Roland, who was part of the negotiation with them on a three-way call. It got to a point where Roland got annoyed. He said, no, Skimmy. Roland, will travel from here to the palace to tell them that the message that the palace has sent his organization, two chiefs have hijacked this very message, because this is not the message the palace sent. Because the direction of this message Gideon are going to is hatred, pure hatred. And I believe that my brother Omorodion is also here watching. Honestly speaking, for those people who might be commenting and saying, Roland a bad person, Roland a bad person. No, Roland not be bad person, because if to say God sometimes put people at a particular position to take part in certain things, because he knows that that is the same person who is going to bring you out of your mess. Roland already has said that it is a conspiracy game. If he's telling me the truth, that is between him and the God also named Mahia Fefefe guy. Roland told me that all these things is a conspiracy about me. And from the way Gideon was talking, when I told Gideon my house, they destroyed my house, Gideon told me that, how can you say they destroyed your house? Not let Palace here say they destroy your house. So, because when I hear say you say they destroy your house, I think say caterpillar pass them down. How can you say that as a friend? They spoil my door when I buy over 750,000 naira Gideon. You say that one not be destruction of house. Gideon, they break my wife window. Because I believe that Omonoba Atokbe, my great palace, the way I also understand a little of our Benin culture, if our strong papa on that high hill is sending a message to cause somebody that has offended the palace, the palace only advocate peace. Now only Gideon Mat now for the year say palace they advocate violence. No, palace always advocate peace. That means now only when there is no peaceful resolution in everywhere in the world, now action come they come in. If you read the letter that the palace wrote to Edo in diaspora, it was a peaceful letter. Even Murphy Face, how he be, they tried to fool himself for Facebook. When the palace was issuing out a letter to this organization, they addressed it in peace. In peace. Now, why would somebody who's the palace sent a message will come to my house? First of all, damage the padlock on my gate. Those people also will go my house. Today, Tony Kabaka, I don't have a problem with you. And I will never also have a problem with you. Why? Because I know you very well. And every time you see me, you also use me to advocate goodness. You say, Skimmy, women in Uomae, you are in short, you are a God-sent person to your generation. That's how that's how you also see me, Tony. So if you went to my house, and I believe you were monobana guana gi when it Tony, when it right in Wayata Ujo, anyway, when I gi you must fulfill your duty. Why? Because you are loyal to the palace, as every one of us also are also loyal to the palace. So, Tony, I will not blame you. And I'm not saying this out of fear. And I'm also not saying this out of maybe trying to please you, Tony. No. Because the day we had my grandmother buried, I didn't invite you, Tony. If you hate me, you came to that party that day and you told me that, Skimmy, you not invited me. But when I heard that Skimmy was having a party in town, you were even very far away from Benin, but you hurriedly came down and you attended that very party that day. You came to meet me in that party. You can't join me. You can't follow me and enjoy myself. That means you don't have a thread at all for me. You understand? I don't have anything against you. And because now message, now you claim, say you go. It's not a problem. My door was damaged. My window, they destroyed my wife's window, went through there into the house. Any other damages that are there, by the special grace of God, God will first bring money to take one. God will still help me again to fix some back. And that is also on the wayside. So now there are issues. This discussion has been going on. It has been going on. Now they have also been telling me that they arrested my pastor and they will try and do everything to see how my pastor will be released, how they will also exonerate me. They will, even as I'm talking to you now, I am working hand by side with Edo in the diaspora in Germany. We are also trying to find every way how to fight this fight for the palace. But just for me to hear today that my pastor has been taken to Oko. Now, this is the whole truth about this whole matter. Everybody knows Igeon. Many years ago, there was a lady Igeon was going out with in Belgium. This lady had a child for Igeon, and this lady also was pregnant for a second child. This lady called me knowing that I was very close to Igehon. She called me on the phone and she said, Papa Lao, you had to me with the whole land. I want to talk about your friend with you. Something is going on. I said, okay, he's my friend. Come over. She came down from Belgium and we sat down. Then she started to explain to me that, yeah, Igehon has collected some money from her and now Igehon is trying to push him away. So for me, I look at it as a boyfriend and girlfriend issue. When you dey give Igehon money, my dear, I don't know the kind of love wey two of una play to that level. So if you gon give your boyfriend money, una no dey, maybe the guy say he no want again. How you wan make a contact talk for inside this matter? You don born one pikin for this guy, then you go find a way wey una go take train this pikin. Now you come dey tell me say no, Baba. As him dey talk, so him get belle again for Igehon. I say Igehon say he no want you again. How he come still take give you belle? Una no dey again. I say yes, so we are still going out. I said okay. He can't say he give Igehon money because Igehon tell him say he want marry him. I say Igehon say he want marry. He say yes because Igehon go do introduction. Now I say how? He put hand for inside bag. He bring out a tape. He brought out the tape of the introduction. He slot hand in for my video. Myself, my wife, and the woman I did there that day. So as we come to watch the video, I saw the date that was on it. That date, I was in Nigeria. I come to say, Igehon, na so you be. Me and you na best of friends wey dey waka 5 and 6. You go do introduction, you were there, your family follow you go there. This woman family, they come also. Una go meet them for their house. They do the normal customary things. This girl say before Igehon go, I know they lie Igehon, na that woman dey Belgium and she still dey alive. If I lie, madam, come out for social media. May you come talk, say, Skimmy, lie against you. You told me that the first time you gave Igehon 21,000 euro. As he can't go Nigeria, go do introduction, come back. Now you give her 28,000 euro. Now envelope of bank, now you put that money. So the total money in cash where you give Igehon was 49,000 euro. That's what he told me. I know we feel lie because Igehon they serve the Jew. When you tell me that story, when Igehon try to tell me say na lie, tell us Igehon, you wey me know if person lie against you, you go Awosonba, you go carry paper, you go give that person. But since you not do that, now they say the woman they talk truth. Igehon gave me the story of saying now so he follow the woman and do one business and now the Oyibo man, when the Oyibo man come they pay, now they can say Igehon you the do guy, Igehon you know the do guy. So please make you not go use your mouth go dey talk wetin you yourself know say not be true. And that day I called Igehon after the woman left. I called him as a friend. I said, "Don't, please, woman, when you go do intro, he first try to deny her when I ask her. But when I come tell her, I say the woman bring the video, I watch her. Now there he come they try to say, no, egui. I said, because you go still invite me. If you don't want to make people know about this thing, you go still tell me, say, my friend, this thing I coded, I don't want to make any. I'll keep on for you now. Why? If now waiting you want. But you can't go behind my back. So we can't settle the matter as a friend. I can't tell her, say, the woman say she get belle. Igehon, how you want one? He say, no be pikin. I say, I want to ask you, you do for inside? Because now first pikin that they deny Igehon, they know they deny second pikin. Woman born first pikin for you. That same woman can't say you get the second one. How you want to deny? You can't go the woman has play with this one. The other one where the woman say now you get and you can't they say no, now say Igehon, this one I waiting you go do. You do inside, he say you do one time. Now so he go club or go party drink. Now so he can't do one time. Only that one time when he do. Now so now say Igehon, if now that one time you do, you not believe say now you get the pikin. If the woman born the pikin, go do DNA. Now only that one I be the thing when I go talk. I can't advise her as a friend. I say, Igehon, what's your problem? Woman give you 49,000 euro cash. Not be the small ones, so 21 and 28. Now say even me, where Suriname woman born 3 children for, she not give me money. But sometimes in life as a man, when you get yourself into some certain relationship, you get a point where you yourself go still play smart, still handle your things so that everybody go there at peace. Now advise am say, Igehon, leave that woman for Belgium. This one where you deal with for house for here, stay with this one. Make your peace so that you no go get issue. As a friend, I the kind of advice when I feel give am be that. That matter can go out. Now, Igehon can they feel like say maybe me. Maybe not some of the hatred we get. And at the end of the day, this matter came out on air because that woman, she also they talk to people now. Not the only me one she can't talk to. So when the matter escalates, maybe Gion go dey feel now say because I dey because he do party with the woman carry some part of the money. I can't dey tell am say you no go feel say because this woman carry money, the pikin wey this woman born for you go reject say you no go be papa. Because this same woman na dey train this pikin. So if you carry money wey dey spray for party, why this woman, if this woman carry this money, leave her for am. Because na your pikin wants to take her take train. He go dey tell me, I say, Gion, you no fit talk say no be you get pikin wey you don already first accept. Me and him also we dey get, maybe he get all this hatred. Now leave it from this very woman wey dey Belgium. The other woman again wey dey build club for am. Wey build club wey Gion come dey show up and down. Wey Gion come dey fly aeroplane a year 5, 6, 7, 8 times in a year. Wey come dey rub shoulder. Gion, the whole problem today wey dey social media. Na you Gion, na cause am. How you take cause am Gion? Because the first person when he start to do video, they insult people for social media. Na Eddie Murphy. Now you create the machine of Eddie Murphy. Because Eddie Murphy came out to say it where Gion, what create a machine now? Because where he bere where the Murphy now am in mind, no ya mwenye e baba Bobizwa Ladian. Where he bere where me mind ni. Imadake Nigeria re because a destiny come away when we rata we chief ukin ona tie kengwa e phone na are speaker when na are that destiny na ne kengwa we ege on tare mana wo ba mu ege ni e kengwa na we egwa ni ye na mamu ege ni ge hon. All those are part of the also enmity you also have for a kengwa also when ege hon you ege hon make Nigeria re even we ask when your destiny or the first name nuri social media president is still alive and he had made a video concerning you regarding you created that machine where people now do have the boldness to talk to people on social media. You created it. You created this awareness on social media. A meeting in my yard to take canopy or Don Richie or Berera. When the message came where Don Richie or Berera you were or Martin Bowane again you were there. I called Don Richie after Mate Matani never. Don Richie still alive. In that with Don Richie, it will be very bad when we negotiate. Because that is the kind of person I am. I will definitely ask. I don't go feel if I hear something about my friend, I have to call that my friend. I don't know whether I room or not. They want to damage in name. Now Don Richie tell me say, Baba me, Godfather. Era memo wa. There is some issues concerning that land with one of our person. I am Yotoni just to secure the quarry that was on ground. In Abubege, in Agbota, you were the one who carried that matter to social media. Social media said all these things. Pero Charlie Brown was also chasing that same girl that I'm going to enter his issue now. No big club, go here no moon again when we work, but we me atam when I not see it. No na hate him to this level again. I don't have a problem with you again as a friend, but you now have shown to the world that you hate me. That every time ni me ya si wesike gbe or say here reject where I was the only one who always live this. I don't care life. God is always my protector. I flow the way I want to flow with people. I know they look back because I serve a living God. Igeon, when Eddie Murphy come they insult you for Facebook. This thing when I want to talk now, listen carefully, Igeon. Osama Erediawa for party where you do, where Kapwepwe for beat you, Igeon. You, I meet you there, I come they tell you say, social media president don't come and tell the whole world say, now you bring these names come for her. And the reason why I believe social media president are because of one woman name where social media president announced. J-Boss. That lady, Ido Ibo house, now you Igeon first they go out with that lady. That lady na person where nobody know. When social media they do video of people where do Ibo house, where they get relationship. And in the beginning, you tell me say your wife they talk to Eddie Murphy, wife you they talk to Eddie Murphy. So immediately I hear that J-Boss, I can't say Gion get hand for this thing because this woman, nobody know this woman for whole land. How this guy can't know say this woman do Ibo as they get back? He now say now your wife, now just give this information to social media president wife or where not take go call that woman, maybe out of jealousy of woman. Now waiting I take believe say everything with social media president they talk that time. Now read truth, Gion. I can't tell you say Gion, the way me knows you. If na lie social media present they lie, you for don't come out for social media, go Ayela last shrine because you believe in those things. You go collect letter there to take talk, say, I don't invite this guy or he not come. What do you do again? You open your video, your camera for phone, you show me shrine where you dey, where you dey perform some rituals with living animals. Again, you tell me say that one social media. We are living all day. You dey show me say hey, where when I make a video to tell me where when again, if I lie against you, go to anywhere. May you go. You know, say me, you not invite me for any shrine. You know, say I know go. But if I lie against you, you get the right to take go shrine, go swear. If I lie against you, the God will me the serve, the stone where you throw, if they come, my God go close eye, he go touch me. But if I don't lie against you, again, the God when I dey serve, he go open eye, he go divide that stone, take them back to you. You know go take them to your children, no, because your children don't know anything. You know go take them to your wife because your wife don't know anything. But he go take them to you, Gideon. You know why? Because you be enemy of palace. You be enemy of the land and you be enemy of the people. Gideon, when Eddie Murphy go drink water for palace, I called you as a friend because I suspected you already that your hand day. First day I throw and food for your mouth. You hold on, you not talk. Second day I throw, you not talk. I believe it was on the third or second occasion. You yourself, Igeon, told me that when Eddie Murphy went to the palace, he was taking pictures with Omada, taking pictures with some chief, and he went to post it on Facebook. You can't call you and Okoro, now I run the network, now I still make what they happen to Okoro, so you not still pay me. Why? Because now two of you and I run the network. That one, you not tell me that I never know whether I join or not. I don't know. You told me that immediately. Now you say, Warren networking, you know where Eddie Murphy, over here, why I'm on a picture like that means Okuokiano, or we not your buying magic guarene, if I lie against you, Gion, I be repeating, go to a place where you know, say you they go. You go there and do anything where you want to. You know, say I don't lie. Now, wait till you tell me, now they tell you so. And everything where you tell me, Gion, I go talk on. So that you go know yourself, say, me and you not friends. That means me and you, when you show me the picture of sacrifice where you go make because of Eddie Murphy, and Eddie Murphy they talk now, I should have also picked up my phone to call Eddie Murphy, say Eddie Murphy, Igeon, or we are no, come on, man. Igeon, maybe you don't understand what is called friendship. Maybe you don't know that one. Igeon, at the end of the day, you tell me, say, now around the network where they take out Tony Kabaka. Now, what do you tell me? Then tell Tony, say, Tony, we man am Eddie Murphy adie guare na we to bu we am a problem with the palace. Who were on the network in Ibu. I don't know how you do it, oh. That is what you told me because I cannot lie against you, Igeon. Igeon, meneski me the Murphy face that soon. I will know. I called you on one occasion. Now we Igeon. A matter Murphy face in a way we have to tackle it in a way because this guy, you know, when revolution when it's one person with revolution, it might just key into what he's saying. Before you know it, this one thing now, it will escalate. You are a chief. You told me we're chief you working. And you also have other chiefs. You know, one must say come together become me. Data me. I told you again, we met to be me. You know that me set him with chief because at the near you were doing the Canada you were you invited me. Me my way I we me o wa hia mu gie no ma a wa mu vie la woru abeni nwan wa neru you we omonoba ya we me na o we ya sunu be me save me beg the processing we go through e there you only make it we me chief because the process a religion him me hia set permit him any me le processing. I advised you now again. Let us do this. You know the suggestion yes or no again when we can because of security purpose you can't tell any I don't understand. I suggested something. We're setting to where are you where you are the platform you were. I suggested something to you, Gion. Let us go about it this way. Because that time of face just started. Because a guy and I cannot hear. It will go far. Because when he started, he was having 30 people. Today, now he's having 100 and something people. Now something needs to be done. Whenever chief you need to do something. At the end of the day, Gion, a conclusion will matter. And what you told me, you can attack the social media now. If I lie against you, Gion, you go to your shrine. What was your response, Gion? Uwe Emiro Barasunu that will be Germany. Though one no wara do ba oriviwe. That's what you told me, Gion. Eva mena itam where we Gion. When I'm working now, that means where you mana yahya mana. Who are we? We are just a nobody compared to you. Gion, there are so many other things. Because I believe it was your opinion. Opinion where because let's say Miguel Sunu that will be Germany, but like Ubomawa, Emina do Sunu. Where you can maybe to you believe that nobody no hiado bao everywhere. Maybe that was from your own point of view. No, it was, and this thing I said again, I keep saying it where if I lie against you, I will never lie against you. When then me weka ke doro liga are la maragwa ina de gbe no water na we on. Didn't I suggest something like that to you? Ina we on. Give me suggest who can get time and Roland is still alive. It's a living weakness. Uwe emeni mega tamu weni we tiki weti mega joke. Ima serious. Iga ya burden. That's what you said. Even we time meni ki on. Roland on. That means mena mwe suggestion na ya gbogion ba na ya silent ogion bagi o mena mwe gi we no ha no ba we clean. It was your duty where you were lele. Where I did your well lele when I do say come me do come where yi emi ni be jori ya we ga lele we joking ma seriously. Did you do that? We no we gbe na negwa gi hon. You are an enemy to the palace gi hon. Ige hon. I never wanted to make this video when you not see it because I am a man who advocate for peace. I don't like war. And I also believe it where man talk by Omonoba Omabe like ebony eve governor ebony eve sukia a war to Areboni. No, you saw what Omonoba did some few days ago. He went to Abuja because of the problem and the war that is happening now in Edo between Oshomole and Obaseki. He went because our father he went to intervene to use also the power of the president of Nigeria to find settlement between these two persons because he's a king that advocates for peace. What you are doing now, you and Omede, trying to bring war to people, to push people to the war. Maybe no. There's no way you can push me to the war. Omonoba talk he say you can never push me to the war to disrespect the royal kingdom of Benin. Where when we not see a money may be here. They are European citizens, but it does not matter where one day they will want to go back again to their father's history, which I also believe in where every child is entitled to that. But you just want to create and cook up a story that you want to use it to tell where a scheming or one not bothered do. Do when I need women when I come in me when na. Imagine you do need a since we man setting ball when we go no segi hon we man setting ball now your enviness is a batemani ball wonu to oge ni aya banish yan redo ni aya ni lado do enjoy we yan ige hon at the end of the day ige hon o no mu go no respect you tie me iro wa me atie me because I am a true friend to you. I am a friend who always want the best for you. Again, I am the one who silenced that matter. Inati where the phone again. When I were again now, don't complain, man. Me mind where we again now why Robert again and when we block I say where you are the Facebook me block him ma. Ni maro bare ga ma sex to yin. but onion agitana ge hon the way forward again now would they ring or would they eminaya marry in a way ge hon why can't you marry this girl see how you Spain or where you sick bobo can when you why ge hon or waiting you send you go through or wokun worry so wawa wokun we ogba fi yen go ge hon that is what she told me this girl she's still alive on my woo. And maybe all the other video now, she also know that I'm not lying against her. That's what she told me. She sent money through your wife's name in Holland. The last party you did in Holland, she gave you 14,500 euros. That's what she told me. I don't know if it's true, but it's what she told me. The clothes your children wore, she told me that it was her money. The cake your child caught, she told me it was her who brought somebody from Spain. That one I don't hear around before. Now you can't do your cake for that place. So Gideon, when the girl can complain to me, I called you as a friend. I gave you an advice. Say Gideon, marry this girl. Since you don't already involve yourself, somebody saying don't spend over 30-something million for club business. He say he invest time because you and your husband, two of una go reap together. Now making invest that money. But at the end of the day, you can't not talk now say because social media they announce you. You know you want make it first wait first, make it fair wait fair. Those were your words to her. Now waiting she tell me be that. Igeon, I know announce you. As I hear that matter, after I hear that matter again, it took me like 2 weeks and 2 or 3 days before I entered Nigeria for that year, December 2000. I think it was 2017. Destiny Ebagwa is very close to me. Almost like every day now we take a talk. As me and Destiny close reach. I not tell her that matter. I never, because I know say you and Destiny you na be cat and rat. If Destiny know that matter, I go come out. But me want make that matter settle. Quietly get home, make nobody know. No, the only person wey know that matter na be Toronto Babayi because the day when the girl they call me, Toronto was there with me. That's the only way. No other person know about this thing. Until I reach Nigeria, the girl told me she was going to Nigeria on the 26th. When that girl enter Nigeria, I don't even hear again from her. Until the day where Esther Dokpa do party, 2nd of January 2018. Now me and you there. When the girl call me for phone, now I tell her say make it come because you there. I be want use that opportunity just to carry 2 of una go my house, go settle the matter. Now I tell the girl say make it come that party, say I did that play. But unfortunately, before the girl came, you left already. Now when we can't reach my house with that girl, now that girl can start to the talk. That girl they alive now. Now the girl come dey talk for my compound, come dey say Gihon with one other lady. Now the girl go report to Matido Ekene. How you take play money Gihon? The Jeep, Range Rover Sport where you Gihon, me buy for Matic Jeep, I dey drive with my own money. Now Destiny now send money go give for America. Where buy the Jeep come for me. When me and you dey go party where I invite you, I enter your Jeep. Where you get your come me where Range Rover Sport arifi na arifi na Range Rover Sport when I try to where you using directly anamane where egwe megiki that girl told me she gave you 16,000 if I still remember around that figure. Now I give you where you take buy that very Jeep where you come the hold the you will be control now they go give chief to Igehon. Igehon, you ever don't use your money buy business class for your life? You Igehon, you don't try huh? Since when that girl now, because Oba talk where he say, you go call tell that girl say, now what did she tell me? Oh? He say he spent close to 3 million when you first chop the first chief. When our monobane dokwa bolo when they do a coronation, Igehon, you still tell the girl say you want gain grants for palace. The girl told me she spent close to 4 million for that process of palace party. Igehon, the girl dey alive. Now wetin she tell me if the girl feel say I lie against her, make you and the girl mona go juju shrine, mona go swear because una know say me no dey go shrine. But if I lie against una, my God, na him go take me. He go let una juju reach my body. But if I no lie against una, the truth of the matter be say God, he go stand for me. I no go come social media, I come dey talk all this thing when I come dey talk. You know the reason why? Because Don Rolly don't make me understand say you have a personal interest to make me go palace, and the reason why you want make I go palace now be this. I strongly believe that if my friend go fit gang up like this, come carry me go palace, that means it is possible say you for don't try some spiritual means, but it no work. Maybe you don't try, but it no work. Maybe you, I don't know, I know they are not accusing you. Maybe you can see am say wetin be the God wey this king dey serve, because again most times when me and you dey get conversation, they always dey tell you say nothing for this my life wey go fit carry me again. Go shrine, go do anything. Why? Because that is my covenant with my God. So you want to break my covenant with my God. You know that the only way you can succeed Igeon is to bring me to the greatest and the highest power in Nigeria, which is Omonoba Nedokwa Bolokbolo. You know that. That because you know say you know you don't try everywhere I believe, but that is your only way to believe say if Skimmy can't go palace, can't go take oath, can't go drink water, that means he has disconnected himself from the covenant he has with his God. Igeon, I don't ever tell you one day when you tell me say you dey go church, you dey sit down for front. Me never tell you one day say Igeon, leave that juju where you deserve. No, I never tell you, because your belief, it's your faith, and I no go ever do anything to take you away from that belief now. My own Igeon, why you want take me away from my faith? Why you want take me away from the belief Igeon wey me I get for my own God when I deserve? Igeon, I would like make a call Roland, but I don't know whether he go dey land, so that Roland also he go still tell us how he still no reach for this whole matter. You understand? I go call Roland. Why? Because Roland now be God sent to me now to take fit get some little bit of evidence to show say Igeon or plan me na kiate yasiogiame bolwa. I would have not done this video today till now as we dey talk. So Igeon, if I want to say this again for everybody to understand wetin Igeon the driver, the only thing Igeon the driver at this whole thing is just about rubbishing me and the God when I deserve. Because if me Skimmy do something wrong, maybe I insulted the palace, that means I know that the palace is a peaceful home. They will send a letter. I get Papa there now. They go send letter, go give am say, hey, oh Bob, your pikin, see where they go. They will invite my father also to the palace. My father and I go come call me, come say, my son, see wetin dey happen o. May you come house, may you come defend yourself. But Igeon also, when they come my house, they carry my pastor, because it's still the same thing for Igeon to prove say that God where you dey talk, pastor where you say you put for house, where they pray for you, you go know say that pastor is a lesser God he dey serve. That is what you are trying to prove, Igeon. But Igeon, person wey get this life, you know if you get another one, if they come again, you know what be the meaning of that parable. Igeon, you fit get power now. You fit get power now. Maybe tomorrow, this same power where you get, you know go dey there again, or maybe the power will constantly transfer to me. Because when I tell you Igeon say, Igeon, I dey advocate for you now say, etineguamunu wena ne moro baga try we, or moro baga try we Igeon ki a crushing ya, we ki a kami me Igeon, uwe kape me, etina join the movie train. That's what you told me. You can say that you are power drunk. This was just something you said about a few days ago, Igeon. You were showing that you are power. I don't know the kind of power they have given to you, but you are so power drunk, trying to drag your people down, Igeon. Igeon, why? I urge you, Igeon, to please deviate away from this direction, Udiena. You are not helping the palace. You are not helping the palace. You know, I made a statement where a network in Weronige also to implicate Monica, but I suspend that issue for now, Igeon. I'm going to suspend it, and I have a reason to suspend it, Igeon. Igeon, you know, let me first off. I want to call Roland first if he's going to pick up the phone. May I first call Roland? Whether Roland will pick my call before I go continue with you, Igeon. You know, I say at the talk since I don't get problem with social media president. Why? Because you also don't tell social media president say now you be the only person wey go fit save am for palace. You are no made there. Now wetin una take tire down. Now be that. Because una you even call that now you go call that video now go palace now. Wetin social media president talk that time. So now they try to tell social media president say now go fit remove am comot from this whole thing. The guy don't have a choice. Nobody wants to deal with the palace. So everybody want try to remove his hair. So now wetin social media president they do, I believe say na be that one. In they want try to remove himself. Maybe the guy doesn't know that trying to remove himself is also trying also to harm me. You understand? Social media president he call me for that morning say ye matter on ye women nana a foxing ye. You understand? A foxing ye women nana ni ye. Don't roll the day for line now. I don't know. It's also possible say he did the same conference call with the Migihona because they call her 24/7. RTA 24/7. Our RTA. Ya try ni agbalu viere bag. Be ya try ni ario viere bag. Mi no ma o ni e dey by ya. They are trying as much as possible. Let me see if Roland not pick the phone, then I'll continue with my video. For some of una wey dey here when they try to talk, say I dey talk like woman. The only first time I don't ever come out for social media talk, now be the issue when it happened to Godsend family CEO. I only come out that time because I spoke with him, and when I spoke with him, he also told me, gave me the permission to say I should go on air, and I also went on air just to say how I also know reach for the matter. You understand? Me, Skimmy, I no go ever come out on social media. This whole matter don't happen since a lot of people they call me say come online. I just decided not to do that. You understand? I decided say make I not do one. But at the end of the day now, I don't think I have a choice rather than to explain. If he get say he get cassette, when me Skimmy they insult the palace, let it get bring it out. If he bring her come out, me Skimmy, if I see the cassette where they say I take talk to the palace, where I not supposed the way where I to talk, I not supposed to talk. I will also explain myself if they maybe I don't know whether they go transform my word or whether they go try to repair my word or I don't know whether they try to bend am. But if there is such audio, let them bring it out now. Not be audio where somebody they tell them say see wetin I talk o. Audio where me by myself talk put. Then I will defend myself also now. Because like Mona na Jena, wabe tema tabe nuwe hensebo. I also believe it where every man or one. It will also is a mother advocate peace now. I don't know why Gion and Omede. Because the reason why I know the two they measure Omede name now because Omede now one person when I know say now Gion the user. How he take run Okoro network? Gion told me now say now he still run now. But that Okoro own that one I know what he concern now. How he take go they call that idiot Murphy face for that place. That one I know that one no concern me. Igeon, how you even take try to implicate Monica? How you take try to implicate them even when the palace refuse that implication what you want try to do? How you even advocate for it, Igeon? Igeon, you be enemy of every human being where they live for this world. Omonoba talk by. I'm using this video also to also send a message to my great kingdom that me, Neskimi. I have never one day supported Monkey Face. I have never supported him financially, either by call, either Monkey Face himself probably is looking at me now. When he sent a friend request to me after he insulted, he gave one Monkey Face in my insult were there, or my insult Okoro there, or my insult Omede there. But Mena, a Monkey Face, I have evidence of pictures and video he did to insult me. Mere Royal Army. One of you no Royal Army at your dona, at your banner. You are part of you were the co-founder of Royal Army. But now you are trying to take yourself out of Royal Army. And this Royal Army of 18 is part of the whole news as a no sunube Facebook now. It's part of it. It's part of it. You understand again? So Why are you trying to exalt yourself? Why are you trying to exonerate yourself? You are no mede. Because na feel say one they do this one, palace go come so na they fight for palace. First of all, Gion, Omede talk am say you Gion, you no be chief. He say, but you dey parade yourself behind the closed door, say you be chief. That is impersonation. It's still the same thing they accuse Okoro of now. It's impersonation, Gion, because everywhere you say you be chief, Obam again where Gion. Is that is impersonation also to the palace now, Gion? Because Omede said it, or we were chief, or we Gion chief, or we had get time with that way. Those were Omede ways, or we Gion we chief. Or we go time with that way go away better ye so automatically Gion, even weta yekeni is very very incriminating. So Gion, I'm passing a very straight warning to you. Just like I said, Omonoba Nedoko Bolokbolo, Omonoba Atokbe, he said, I will never be part of anybody nor can bring down the palace. And I will be part of any organization, anybody who legally will stand to say where enough is enough for all these social media personnel who are trying to bring down the palace. I will support by every means. I'm not supporting because of where if you beg your guy, no. I am only saying it because it is my sole responsibility to join every person in Okedore to fight the war against, legal fight against these individuals who are trying to bring down our palace. Again, I have told the world now my own side of the story. If there's anything in Metave, man, normal correspond with we think it was soon. You have your own platform. You can also use your platform again. No way at all where. No way I explain or where. Because you party social media we are more we party social media but that way or see any social and party na because the social media team we ke Johnny on bad day will be me boy again or team me ruwe flight my boy go away that I'm when we work in we laho you can't do this eko when I'm with on but when I even the gay question we tana obe tie mo we ni away the gay we promise me we an leli media party we social media na can be me we skimmy where I want a party me on your matty on our phone on our skimmy that when I that was what I said. Social media or have a video nana wo guitar let him come out and also defend it. And the social media when we support Igihona. Igihon is the reason when I want me because then we jegwa. Nobody even noticed you. Igihon was the one who prompted. He told me. Oh no, I waiting home. He was the one who told me himself. He told me now. Or deny your time and way your own name. Give me because you have a picture. I say where I know where it at here. No way I do with social media. How can I say? So the truth of the matter now here, Omonoba talk by. Please, Bini people, Edo people, wherever you are, I am also using this my video to appeal to everybody. The plans of Igion concerning my life and my family. Please stand behind me. Don't allow the evil intention and the evil act of Igion come to reality. That is my prayer. That is my prayer and that is also my request from all the Benin people. Omonoba talk by. I will end this my video here. God bless every one of you in Jesus' name.